How to turn one product into daily content that makes money. Most beginners think they need many products to make money online. But the truth, one product done well can produce months of content and consistent income. Today, I show you how to turn one product into daily content that attract views, grows trust, and makes you money even as a beginner. Let's get into it. Section number one, the power of one product. When you focus on one product, one, your message becomes clearer. Two, your audience grows faster. Three, your content gets easier. Then your conversion rate increases. Most people fail because they talk about too many things. You will dominate one. Section number two, the 10 content type system. Every product gives you 10 unlimited content angles. Number one, problem video. What problem does it solve? Number two, experience video. Shares how it works. Number three, tutorial videos. Step-by-step use. Number four, mistake videos. What beginners do wrong. Number five, results video. What people achieve. Number six, comparison video. Product A versus B. Number seven, tips video. Best ways to use it. Number eight, frequently asked questions video. Answer common questions. Number nine, story video. A transformation story. Then number 10, benefit videos. Why it's worth it. AI helps you generate scripts for all the 10 instantly. That means you can create 10 shorts, 10 carousels, 10 YouTube videos, all from one product. This is how you build authority fast. Then section number 3, the AI content engine. AI tools you use. 1. ChatGPT turns product details into scripts. Creates hooks plus idea. Writes descriptions. Then CapCut or descripts. Auto edit. Adds captions. Makes short form versions. Then Canva AI creates thumbnails, makes visuals, helps with presentations. This is how you create more content in less time without stress. Then section number 4, your monetization part. Your system becomes daily content into link in bio, into AI system pack, into email follow-up, and into product sales. That's your funnel. The more content you post, the more leads you collect, the more sales you make. Simple, predictable, and scalable. One product can change your entire directions online. And AI allows you to build content around it effortlessly. If you want my AI starter kit to help you build your first system, the link is in the description. Let's move to the next video.